Well, Andy, I have to tell you, I love my iPhone 10. The only thing that kind of worries me somewhat is that this thing is all glass. All glass front, all glass back. I know it's got Gorilla Glass, which makes it tougher, but I mean, you drop this thing on cement a few times and
it all depends on the angle that it drops at, right?
Exactly.
Like you might get away with it, but if it hits on that right corner,
boom.
It's going to hurt.
Well, we've got some solutions here from Casemate. They've got some tough cases for the iPhone 10, and we're going to have a look at the tough stand and the tough ID case. Starting with the tough stand, this is kind of cool. This has been certified to do up to a 10-foot drop with the iPhone in. So it's got a really strong, solid case here, so I'm not worried about having this thing fumble out of my hands anymore. But what I really love is the stand on the back. So I can pop that out, and I can not only have it in the portrait mode here, but I can also, you know, if I was on a plane, I can then pop it on the landscape side here as well, and I can watch movies.
Yeah, it's not even just on a plane, but if you just want to watch or catch up on Netflix while you're having lunch, it makes it really, really easy to do.
I don't have to hold it like a sucker anymore. I can just put it down on the table, and I'm good to go.
Another thing I like about the tough stand is that the grip, it has kind of a texture so that it kind of fits good in the hand. Because when you have a glass phone, you can fumble with it. So it's nice and comforting to know that when you take it out of your pocket, you're going to be able to get that grip so you don't drop it. But in the event that you do, it can go up to 10 feet. So you know you're going to be okay if it drops out of your pocket.
So next up, we're going to have a look at the Tough ID case from Casemate. This is military strength again. It's a nice, solid, beautiful leather, and I can put it in here, and again, I don't have to worry about dropping this thing anymore. And on the back, I love this, I can actually combine my wallet with my phone case. So it's got slots here for a few credit cards or ID or even cash.
And it's really good for the people that are getting accustomed to paying with Apple Pay. Sometimes you just need your ID with you wherever you go, and now you don't have to carry a wallet, because I can speak on the behalf of all men. We don't like having these big bulky wallets, but we need to have all our ID and cards with us. And now you can migrate all that into your phone.
So 2 tough cases from Casemate. If you want to find out more about these, you can go to their website, case-mate.com.